How to use Active Directory with Opus Touch. Opus Touch and Opus support integration with Active Directory, allowing users to log in using their Windows username and password. This integration simplifies the login process by eliminating the need to remember and maintain separate passwords for Opus Touch. Password rules are then enforced by Active Directory, not Opus Touch. To activate this function, log in as an Opus admin and click on the gear wheel icon in the upper right corner. Then switch to User Management and then to Global Options. At the top you will see the Enable Active Directory button. Type in the name of your Active Directory server and click Next. You will then be asked to add a user that is part of the Active Directory. Type in the username and the first and last name of that user. Make sure that this user is part of the administrator group, so he can later add further Active Directory users to the Opus user database. Click Next and the system will log out after the message box. You can now log in with your Active Directory credentials. In User Management, you can now add further users from the Active Directory. However, it is important to note that each Windows user must still be created in Opus Touch to define their permissions within Opus Touch. Users who exist in Active Directory but have not been created in Opus Touch will not be able to log into Opus Touch. Conversely, if Opus Touch is connected to Active Directory, users who exist in the local Opus user database but not in Active Directory will not be able to log in. When the Active Directory server is temporarily disconnected, logging into Opus Touch is still possible. Now you know how to use Active Directory with Opus Touch.